If you feel tired, you can reduce your tiredness by following the 3 tips in this video. Regular and adequate sleep. Getting enough sleep is one of the most effective ways to deal with fatigue. Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night helps your body regenerate and increase your energy levels. Establishing a sleep routine can improve sleep quality. Balanced nutrition and water consumption. Follow a regular and balanced diet to increase your energy levels. It is especially important not to skip breakfast. Eating protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates will keep your energy levels high throughout the day. Also, drinking enough water will prevent dehydration and reduce feelings of fatigue. Movement and exercise. Regular exercise boosts your energy and helps you fight fatigue. At least 20 to 30 minutes of light exercise, walking, yoga, stretching a day can improve your blood circulation and make you feel more energized. A short walk, especially in the middle of the day, can significantly reduce feelings of fatigue. It is possible to reduce the feeling of fatigue with these small touches to your life.